Hello and welcome to the first episode of this series of coding with Melusi Makola. This is going to be a short YouTube series about Python, the programming language, not the snake. I even wrote that on the screen so that you guys can see that I'm not talking about snakes here. Joe, mina I'm black, so I have to make sure that you understand. Never must. Anyway, what I'm going to be doing on this series is basically teaching you how to code, you know. And the coolest part about this is that you can do it on your phone. As you can see, I'm recording the screen right now and I'm on my phone. It's not a really expensive phone, it's a Nokia something something, but it does the job just fine. So it's going to work well for this series. Anywho, uh, this video is basically an introduction to this series and myself included. My name is Melusi Makola. I am from Barberton, you know. Uh, I've been coding for a while now, even though I'm still learning. You can't really wake up one day and be a master coder unless you code every minute of the day and every hour, unless you're a hardcore coder like that. But I have a lot going on, so my progress has been slow, but I'm making it there slowly. So I wanted to share with you guys what I've learned so far. You know, we're gonna build some stuff. We're gonna uh, take it step by step. Starting from variables, lists, uh, tuples, sets, dictionaries, the basics. It's just so you guys can understand not only Python but programming as a whole. You know, I'd also like to recommend this book, How to Think Like a Computer Scientist, Learning with Python 3 Documentation, 3rd edition. It was released August 12, 2012, so it might be a bit old, but personally, I just like it. I like this book. The way everything is structured, the way they present the information to you, you know, you'll really get a lot from this book. Like I have. This is like where I started my journey as well. The first time I wrote code, I was writing it on my phone anyway. But this book is not about writing code on your phone, it's about Python, the basics. Let me just get to a chapter somewhere here that we can read something. Formal and natural languages. So right here. Look at how they explain this. Natural languages are the languages that people speak, such as English, Spanish, and French. They were not designed by people, although people tried to impose some order on them. They evolved naturally. Let's look at formal languages. Formal languages are languages that are designed by people for specific applications. For example, the notation that mathematicians use is a formal language that is particularly good at denoting relationships among numbers and symbols. Chemists use a formal language to represent the chemical structure of molecules. And most importantly, programming languages are formal languages that have been designed to express computations. See that? See that? The difference between natural languages and formal languages. We just learned that formal programming languages are formal languages because they were designed by people for specific reasons, and the reason was to express computations. You know, basically, they were programming languages were designed to speak to the computer. Yeah, if I can say it like that. I hope I'm not, you know, losing it here. I don't want to give you guys wrong information. That would be wrong. I also wanted us to look at some of this theory right here. There's going to be a lot of theory, so you're going to have to you know, go hard. I'm saying a lot. I think maybe it's my nerves because this is like the first episode. But anyway, I hope you guys are seeing this. I'm gonna be maybe quoting the book or maybe coming back for reference in the book. It's always good to have like something you can go back to for reference on. So now let's talk about the software that I'm using for this series. Like I said, it's on my phone, so you're gonna have to download it. You can follow along even if you're using your computer or laptop. You can download an IDE, IDE which stands for Integrated Development Environment. You can download that, maybe PyCharm, Visual Basic, Visual Studio Code. Uh, what else? There's a lot of them. There's a lot. You can download whichever one works for you. You have to be on Python though. You have to install Python because this course is gonna be on Python. So yeah, you're gonna need Python to follow along. For those that are gonna be following along on their phones and code the way I'm doing, because the reason I'm coding on my phone is so that I can show you guys that you can learn coding even if you don't really have like all the equipment that's needed, or not necessarily needed, but like equipment where you can code efficiently. uh, I want to show you guys that you can access these tools even from your phone, and you can start your journey there and grow slowly, and eventually achieve your goals. You know. So this is Pydroid. That's what they are calling it, or we call it. You can go premium. You can go premium. You can run the interpreter. You can run the terminal. Hey guys, my accent keeps switching because yebana kuthi ngikhulume Swati la screenini la, and I can't do that because I want it to accommodate everyone. So ngeke ngikhona ukukhuluma Siswati kuphela bafethu, mara I hope even the parts where I speak Swat, you guys don't freak out and just like take the information. Just take the information that's necessary, the information that's gonna help you grow, and leave everything else out of it. Out of it. Okay? Yeah. Where was I? We have the interpreter, we have the terminal, we have the pip. The pip. Yes, I said it again. We have the pip. Okay? And we can share. I assume like we can share our code with WhatsApp or all these other thingies that are visible here. So that's good. Yeah, that's good. Proper. Glad that works. Paste bin. I have no idea what that is. Are you sure you want to publish a paste? Your source code will be available on pastebin.com by a direct link only. I don't really know what this is about, but I'll have to look at it again and research some more. Samples. Okay. Hello world. Okay, this is open. Okay, this is just some basic code templates, if you will. That okay, let's see. Yeah, I think we could really use some of these. Yeah, I think we could use some of these as we learn, because these look like they're pretty dope for beginners like myself. I also consider myself a beginner because even coding, things go down this side. Okay, here they're also using some libraries. We'll get to that once we understand the basics. Or um, okay, Okay. What happened? Okay, no problem. So, yeah, that's been that. I think I should write some code or something, but okay, it's been too long. It's been long. Like 10 minutes is a long time. It's been too long. So, I guess I'll see you in the next video. It's been great. Uh, Goodbye, and see you next time. You know, I hope you guys will enjoy this series. It's gonna be nice. This has been the introduction by your boy Melusi Makola. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button to get, and hit that bell thingy so that they can notify you when I post another video. Because I definitely will post another video. Okay, it's a wrap.